afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today being the first session of the week, market took a breather today after rallying for the past few sessions last week. Now market is in a kind of a correction mode. We can see Sensex is down almost by 200 points right now. It opened also weak, about 80 points down, and then it's drifted slowly downwards towards now. It has reached the 200 points down, and Nifty is almost 60 to 70 points down. Amidst this kind of trading down which is happening, we are seeing kind of some pharma companies like Dr. Reddy, which are doing good, and it's up by almost 1.5%. We have kind of BHEL, Maruti, also Suzuki are the other gainers. So there are some gainers also in this kind of fall, which is we're seeing today. But on the loser side, we can see a lot of kind of banking stocks. The RBI report is out on that Cobra Post scam which happened in the banking. It's giving one by one kind of the report on various banks, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. So we need to wait and watch what exactly kind of the details are they giving on the reports which they mentioned. On the Axis Bank, they have reported some kind of irregularities in the kind of account opening procedures and not following the KYC norms or the power of attorney given with the wrong PAN details. So now if these kind of do come out with some serious report, or we might see kind of some heavy selling on those counters. Some companies that actually are in news is media stocks, which rallied last week and knocked off some gains. We're seeing some companies also announce kind of the quarter results today. We have Bob, we have Bank of India, Reliance Power, Nestle, Titagar, and Zydus Wellness. Friends, Dena Bank came out with dismal quarterly numbers. The stock is down almost 3% at 91 rupees. The net income is also down, and net NPA is also rose. So all in all, it was a poor performance by the bank. RCom fell around 2.5% in the intraday market trade. DLF is the stock in news which announced that they're going to come out with the OFS. And the price band decided is 222 to 233. So that stock is also kind of in a pressure. It's not performing because of the price band that they have come out with. Meanwhile, the stocks which are again on the gainers list are, we have Reliance, HDFC Bank, we have Dr. Reddy, we have kind of NTPC also. Friends, forex market 54.83 is the rupee against the US dollar. It has weakened a bit because of kind of some weak sentiment and weak results. That's about the news we have till mid-market. We'll get back to you more on the post-market. Thank you.